Hello folks, this is Maximo here at iPAC Nissan. I saw that you were inquiring on our 2017 Nissan Pathfinder. Well, we do have many other selections as well, but this one has great low mileage, only 38,000 miles. Not only that, it does have a 3.6 V6 engine and great fuel mileage. We also do have cloth seats with comfortable comfort on the back support and the lumbar. Not only that, you will have a dual climate control, so a separate temperature for you and your wife as well. You will have the navigation, and the best part as well, you have some extra space. You have the second row, and you also have the third row as well. You could also adjust the seats to move it forward or backward, or if you're needing to lay it all the way down as well. Here in the back, you will have the backup camera. And you do have regular floor mats and also weather floor mats as well. You can also fold down the seats. And they made it easy as well too to lift it up.
Good.
6 seconds.